Kune video ke la engisanda kuyenza kade ngikhuluma ngokuthi they just make you aware of something you are afraid of, and then they quickly provide the solution for you that will benefit them, right? Bawenza ube aware ukuthi yazi wena njoba uhamba la ngenze ukushayisa imoto vele shone ingane zakho izosala edlani ngoba izondliwa wena bese kuthiwa nayi life cover uyayizwa lona kuthiwa hey wena uyazi ukuthi njoba kukhona le moto yakhe ngavele ingene engozini ngaphinde ube nemoto lalela thatha nathi insurance. They just make you aware ukuthi you are in danger every time you go yabo, and then they provide products. They just create the demand for you. You are not aware when you are living, but that's not a problem, guys. Those are rules of the game yabo. Okwrong ukuthi wena ungazi ngama rules of the game ube ignorant, ayikho into wrong ngaleyo nto, because if fear is the mother of intelligence, because once you start fearing something you start devise ways to mitigate the risk yabo in the near future. If fear nje mother of intelligence, so that is how we survived till this point. Sibalekela ama predators laphana kuma primitive environment, because besinendlela esidevises ukuthi sikwazi ukusurvive. But ipoint lami ke lithi ke, if there is an insurance that covers ukuthi mina ngofa ingane zami zokonjobani, do you know that there is also an insurance that you can take that can teach your child how to survive on their own ngalesi sikhathi? Ubingelelo changes akhasho ukuthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo isiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapha sisuka khona futhi kukude lapha siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli yabona. Buka ngutshela vele I danger ehlezi khona, even dala saphila kuma primitive environments ehlezi khona, ngoba vele uphila la emahlathini ngaqhamuka ibhubesi likuhlafune wena onje ingane zakho izosala ingane zakho edleni usuhlafuna ibhubesi wena la kubulala yabo. Ibikhona idanger lapho. Bakubona lokho ondle beyikhanyilanga ukuthi yazi umuntu mephila nje ukwidanger vele, and wena ondle ingane zakhe yabo. So indaba singamcreateli into ezomnikeza assurance ukuthi noma lingaqhamuka ibhubesi ngoba vele ngayakuvimbe lokho limuhle, kodwa ingane zakhe ezoqhubeka iphile, ezoqhubeka zondleka yabo. Asimnikeze lo assurance leyo ukuthi cha soyinakekela thina, soyinikeza imali engaka ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi iphile ngoba yena uyisupporta akasekho yabo. Yeah, that makes sense vele. And they make you aware ukuthi lalela ukwidanger vele wena. People get suffer not because of what they know. You know that one, right? People suffer because of what they do not know. That's the point.